Sony TV remote not working. This video will tell you how to fix Sony TV remote not working issue. 1. Change the batteries. When your TV remote stops working, rather than skimp on investing in a new one, it's actually a lot easier to replace the batteries than you may think. Got a remote that's not working? Here is what you can do. If you are having trouble with your remote, take out the batteries and press the power button for 10 seconds. This resets the remote, removing any residual power. Put the batteries back in your remote control after at least a full minute of not using it. When you reinsert the TV remote batteries, make sure they are placed according to the polarity, plus and. Use the remote to control your TV and check if it's working again. 2. Remove any obstacles that is blocking remote signal. To avoid problems with a TV remote, make sure there aren't any obstacles blocking the TV's receiver. If you're placing an object or picture frame on your TV stand, or if anything nearby is in front of your Sony TV, move them out of the way. If the aforementioned steps don't work, there is one other thing that can be done. You can try reducing the distance between the TV and the remote. 3. Remote buttons not responding. When you're watching a movie or gaming and suddenly your remote stops working, the first thing you do is give it a quick shake to see if some of the buttons are jammed. One way to tell if a button on your Sony remote is in need of replacing is to take out your phone and open up the camera. Hold your remote in front of the camera and press the button you think might be broken. Yes, it does sound a little silly, but it works. Your smartphone's camera should pick on the infrared sensor on your remote, and if the button is working correctly, you'll see a flash of light. 4. Power reset your Sony TV. If the remote is not responding, try unplugging your TV, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in, if possible. Be sure to wait 2 minutes before plugging it in again. If your TV is wireless, check that a cordless phone, microwave oven, or other wireless devices aren't interfering with the remote signal. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.